Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 electric hammer drill. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Drill Pro 26mm. Specifications. Brand name, Drill Pro. Motor type, brushed. Usage, home DIY. Power source, battery. Rated voltage, 18 volts. Rated input power, 1000 to 1299 watts. No load speed, 6000 RPM. Max. Drilling diameter, 26 mm. Frequency, 50 to 60 Hz. Hammer type, rotary hammer. Item number 4 is One rotary hammer. Specifications. Brand name, One. Motor type, brushless. Usage, renovation team. Wattage, 2000 to 3999 watts. Power source, battery. Rated input power, 2000 watts. No load speed, 3300 RPM. Frequency, 6200 R/Minnesota. Dimensions, as picture. Hammer type, breaker hammer. Weight, 4 kilograms. As the item number 3 we've selected, Bosch brushless rotary hammer. Specifications. Brand name, Bosch. Model number, GBH180Li. Motor type, brushless. Usage, renovation team. Power source, battery. Rated voltage, 18 volts. No load speed, 1800 RPM. Max. Drilling diameter, 30 mm. Hammer type, rotary hammer. Rated speed, 0-1800 RPM. Weight, 2.6 kilograms. Item number 2 is brushless electric hammer. Specifications. Brand name, Yofidra. Motor type, brushless. Usage, home DIY. Power source, battery. Rated voltage, 18 volts. Max. Drilling diameter, 26 mm. Hammer type, rotary hammer. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Yofidra brushless electric hammer. Specifications. Brand name, Yofidra. Motor type, brushless. Usage, home DIY. Power source, battery. Rated voltage, 18 volts. Rated input power, 1680 watts. Max. Drilling diameter, 26 mm. Hammer type, rotary hammer. Power, 1680 watts. No load speed, 0-3500 RPM.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.